So I just came home from this like place where you print papers because I had to print my like my flight ticket, and I think that's like really stupid. Like I don't get why you have to print your flight ticket when you have everything like on your phone. I mean, here you got like your confirmation, your name, your passport number and everything. But I mean, I guess that's not enough. Like you have to have it on this paper and not on your phone. I mean, like what's the difference? It's super not environmentally friendly. So my room looks like a complete mess, which makes it easier to find everything. I want to do like a time lapse or something from like when I pack, and it's not like anywhere I can put the camera. Like there's nothing on the walls, there's like nowhere to like hang it in the roof. I mean, like back home I sometimes hang it like from the lamp in the ceiling, but I mean these are just like light bulbs, so it's like nowhere I can hang it here. I have to get creative somehow. That looks like it just might work. Yeah, I think that'll work. Now, I just realized right now that I'm missing something very important here, and that is shorts. I only packed like one pair of jeans, so that's gonna be like way too hot. So I'm looking for my like favorite pair of shorts, and they're like nowhere to be found. I have looked like everywhere, like under the bed, under the everything, top, aside. Like, I mean, this is a tiny, tiny, tiny room. It's like, this is it, the entire room right here. I didn't find it. But this vlog is not about looking for a pair of shorts. It's about flying to Chile because I love flying. This little thing is, if you don't know what it is, it's a thing that flies. In other words, it's a drone. I'm gonna take this up to the rooftop, like this building right here. It's like a 14, 13, 14, like somewhere around 14 floors high building, of course. We're in the middle of the city, and yes, you can go to the rooftop of this building. When I have never been there before, like on the rooftop, so I'm gonna go check it out for the first time right now, and hopefully I'm able to fly this thing. Wow, okay, this view is absolutely breathtaking. I think it's more than 14 stories. I mean, this has got to be like, I don't know, 16, 17, I got no idea, but it's a lot. I mean, I don't even need the drone to get like super good views. I mean, look at all of this. I'm not exaggerating when I'm saying that you could see for miles. Oh, and it's pretty far down too. Look at this. I do not want to step too close to the edge. I've been in like some high places, but this is different. I've been in this city for like more than a month, and I've never seen it from like this perspective right here. Wow, I cannot believe this. And I can go here like any day. I'm gonna go back here like so many times because imagine, oh, the sunset from like this place. Wow. Okay, but now it's time to get the drone up flying and get some even more incredible shots of the city. So let's go. One thing I saw on the time lapse is that you can see like the planes are flying by the time lapse. You can actually see the planes going by, but they're going like really fast. So like here comes another one, so I'm gonna try and like capture it on the camera, and so you can see like the plane flying like behind the buildings and landing. It's pretty cool. And that plane right there just might be the one I'm on in like 3 hours, but I doubt it, but who knows. So now I'm all done packing, but the most important thing remains, and that is actually putting my things inside this bag so I can actually take them to the airport. That was fast.
Buenas noches y muchas gracias por volar con nosotros.
Now I landed in Santiago de Chile and I have to catch a bus. The only problem is the plane was like 30 minutes late. It was like 40 minutes late actually. So now I got like 30 minutes to get through security, immigration, get my luggage, and go to the bus terminal to catch the bus. Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna catch it, but let's see. So the immigration part, aka the stamp in the passport, went like super fast because I got there like before everybody else. If I would have got there like 5 minutes later, the line would be like super long. But so yeah, that's done. Now only remains this. So now I didn't record anything after I picked up my luggage because as soon as I got my luggage I was like sprinting out trying to get a taxi to get to the bus station in time to catch my bus. And I was there like exactly at 10. I could not like find my bus because the bus station was like huge, and I didn't catch the bus but bought like a new ticket and it was not too expensive, and finally I got there. So yeah, that's why I didn't record anything, because I was just like running trying to catch my bus, which I didn't catch, but I still got another bus and I got here at last. Oh, and it's so beautiful here. This is like the view from our balcony. We even got like a pretty big pool down here. It's not really warm at all, but it's still a pool. It's not the greatest view, but I mean, like, it's not bad either. It's pretty nice. So yeah, that's where we spent like the entire day now, just like getting a tan and editing. And now we're gonna go out and check out the city. It looks like super awesome. We had like just a quick like ride through the city yesterday while we tried to find somewhere to eat, and it looked so awesome. So we're gonna check out the city today. That's it for today's vlog. Thank you very much for watching and stay tuned for the next one. We are in Santiago.
Ja, Martin får rätt i kameran.